Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful pillow, heart pillow. It is so soft and it is handmade and personalized. In personalized gift there is always love and affection more than you buy from market. So let's start. For this I'll show you how to make pom-poms, and see, this is so cute. Let's start. We need a wool and a fork and a scissor. First I'll cut a little amount of thread, and now see, I have put in the center, and now I'll just wrap around this fork. Just cut it, and then we'll take this thread which we have put it earlier, and we'll tie a knot. Make sure the knot is very tight. This way. Now you remove this, and now we'll cut from sides. See, this is, I have cutted this. Now we'll trim this from the sides. Pom Pom ball is ready. Make this pom pom balls. Cut the shape like I have cut in a heart shape. You cut in your cloth in desired shape, and just stitch this pom pom on it. I have taken here two colors, yellow and red, and then I have stitched all the pom poms, and to enhance the look I have stitched the pearls on it, and then I have sprayed perfume on it. So it is really a very good Valentine gift for your loved ones. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.